Oh yeah, you know what time it is. And then nighttime took forever. Oh my goodness, it's a blend. So my goal for today is to go out and mine some ore, find a cave, and get some good stuff for making armor and better weapons and stuff like that. Humphrey has arrived. Before I so much as look at the merchant, I must place down this. Give me a minute. Do I have to cut the grass first? What in the world? Why won't it work? It took me a minute, but I figured it out. I'm going to buy the bug net. And let me tell you why I must buy the bug net. You see that evil monstrosity right there? Mine now. Dang, I missed the bird. I almost had him. Yeah, I will get you. You cannot run. You can run, but you cannot hide. There we go. And let me show you why it's so good. Watch this. I grab the rabbit. I sell the rabbit. And what do I get? More money. So last time I died when I was inside the sand cave. So you know what I'm gonna do? Not die. I thought I had something that could heal me. Here's the plan. I get here and just stand here, and I will slowly heal up. A while later. Okay, thank goodness it's over. Okay, so here's the plan. So I mined something I shouldn't have. Bird, please kill him. Bird, kill it. Kill it! I don't like this place. If you excuse me, I'm going to fight a bunch of these things now. Now for my next trick, I gotta walk the dog. Easy there, Fido. Oh my god. No, no! I dropped a seed. They stole my gold. Okay, my gold's still there, thank god. And I made a new room, so if any of them want to move in, well, they can. Oh, catch that bird. I swear I will catch it. I'm in danger. I died and lost gold. I am very mad. I'm getting it. I just no-scoped that thing. I'm gonna do some exploring. Not down there. Instead, I'm gonna be exploring here. Running for my life, and that is a fast blimp. Oh my god, not again, not again, not again, not again, not again, not again. I've been exploring for so long now. Is that a dead body? So you missed a good bit. No, it was not a dead body. And, it's a child who wanted me to build it a house. Of course it was. Also, what is that, a giant eye in the background? What the heck? It's gonna be a nightmare getting back. Seriously, the eyeball's back. And is it that big, that far away? Is that like a giant... Is that the Eye of Cthulhu? Please tell me it's not the Eye of Cthulhu. I killed my 50th zombie. Hooray! Oh, that's a goblin. Get away, get away, get away, wait. And now, I shall go back home. I am very excited to finally go back home. I think. I give you round hat. And so I wasn't even expecting it, and then all of a sudden this guy's here. So what does this guy do? Holy moly, I can dye my gear. Oh man, I gotta get yellow dye sometime. That's gonna be freaking awesome when I do though. Oh dang it. I missed the conversation. Basically those two were having a conversation. And like I think they were gossiping about, oh god, they're having a conversation. They're playing rock, paper, scissors. I think they got a tie. Iron. That is a rabbit. 2 rabbits to be exact. Look at him run. He was just running like, please, no, no, no. I've made it all the way going that way. Time to go all the way going this way. That is a freaking worm. Think about taking him out.